What's going on, mother truckers, man? Hopefully you're having a great day today. All I have to say is good news doesn't travel enough. You know, we always get this mayhem and bad news and trucker this, trucker that. You know what? Let's make this go viral. Let's help this truck driver out. Let's show him that, man, we see you. You know, Washington Incident Alert, they got this on Facebook, but it's not going viral. Basically in Washington, there was a blind man walking, and he starts walking, and he starts going the wrong way, and he starts going into the highway. So the backstory is this man's assisting dog passed away recently, so he's been having trouble walking his normal route. What does this truck driver do? He stops what he's doing. He puts on his flasher, he gets out of his truck, and he helps this man walk across the street. You know, you think that truck drivers don't care. You think that people don't care, man. You know, I know we all have busy lives, but for this truck driver to stop out of his day to just be a human being and help someone out, that's beautiful, man. Shout out to that mother trucker, whoever you are, man. Thank you so much for being a blessed and kind person, and I wish this goes viral for you just so people could see that truck drivers are good people, and at the end of the day, man, we make America and the world go round. Mother truckers, stand up, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this, but I thought this was a beautiful way to start the day.